Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Class 8 General Science 1. Today we are going to start unit number 2, Hereditary in Living Organism. So this is lecture number 1. So first of all, let's introduce the chapter. In previous grades, you have learned about reproduction. What is reproduction? Reproduction is actually a character of living thing through which it reproduces offspring of their own kind. You have also studied about sexual and asexual reproduction and their subtypes in previous grades. In this chapter, you will learn about growth and heredity. You know the cell. What is cell? Cell is actually the structure and function unit of living organism. And when the number of the cell increase, the growth will take place. How the number of cell in a body increase? That is through a process, and that process is called cell division. So how we will define the cell division? It is a process in which a parent cell divide into two daughter cell. There are two main kind of the cell division. One is mitosis and another is meiosis. So first of all, we will discuss mitosis. In this diagram, you can see here that this is a parent cell, and this is the nucleus of the parent cell. Inside the nucleus there are chromosomes, and the number of chromosomes in this parent cell, that is 4. Inshallah, in next lecture you will study about the chromosome, DNA and gene. So this parent cell, first of all, it grow in size, and then each chromosome become duplicated, as you can see here. Then it start its division. So this parent cell now divide into two daughter cell in such a way that the number of chromosome remain the same as in daughter cell. If you count the number of chromosome in these two daughter cells, so that is 4, and in parent cell that was also 4. And these two cells are also genetically identical. Genetically identical mean that the DNA in this chromosome, that is same as in the parent cell. So how we will define the mitotic cell division? A kind of cell division in which a parent cell divide into two daughter cell in such a way that the number of chromosome remain the same as in the parent cell, and the daughter cell are genetically identical to the parent cell. What are the importance of mitosis? There are a lot of importance of mitosis, but the most important one is the growth. What is growth? If the size of a living body that increase, so that is called growth. And growth is because of mitosis, because through mitosis the number of cell increase. Like in this division, there are two daughter cell. If these two daughter cell further divide, so it will become 4, and then this 4 will be 8 will be 16, and so on. So the number of cell will be increased, and these cell will be result in the growth of the living organism. So this was about the mitosis. Now come toward the second kind of cell division. Second kind of cell division is meiosis. In meiosis, this is a parent cell. So first of all, its chromosome become duplicated and the cell grow in size. And then the first division, this is the first division, and two daughter cells are produced. The number of chromosome in these two daughter cell become half as compared to the parent cell. And then again each of these daughter cell divide into two daughter cell. But in this second division, the number of chromosome will be same as in these first division daughter cell. So at the end we will get 4 daughter cells, and these 4 daughter cells, the number of chromosome will remain half as compared to the parental cell. As in this parental cell the number of chromosome is 4, and in this daughter cell the number of chromosome that is 2, so it become half. And another property of the meiosis is that the chromosome, the heredity or DNA or the genes are not exact as compared to the parent cell. This is genetically these daughter cells are genetically different from the parental cell. Now what is the importance of this meiosis? This meiosis take place in the germ cells. In the germ cells are those cells from which sexual reproduction take place. So these daughter cells, when produced, then it develop into gametes. If these are male gametes, so it is called sperm. If this is female gamete, so it will be called ovum. And then one sperm and one ovum will be fused, and that is called zygote, and from zygote the next generation will produce, and that is sexual reproduction. Now let's summarize the meiosis through a definition. A kind of cell division in which a parent cell divide into 4 daughter cell that are called gametes in such a way that the number of chromosome remain half as in parent cell. In the daughter cell that are also called gamete are genetically different than parent cell, and the importance is sexual reproduction. Now let's compare the mitosis and meiosis cell division. Mitosis cell division, it take place in the somatic cells. Somatic cells are also called body cells. And the meiosis take place in the germ cells. Germ cells are present in the reproductive part of the plants and animals. In mitosis, at the end there will be 2 daughter cells, while in meiosis at the end there will be 4 daughter cell. Difference number 3, the number of chromosome remain the same as in parent cell. So you can see here the number of chromosome, that is 4, and the parent cell, that is also 4. While in the meiosis the number of chromosome become half. So you can see here in this daughter cell the number of chromosome is 2, and in parent cell that is 4. Genetically identical. The daughter cells, they are genetically same as compared to the parent cell, while in meiosis the daughter cells, they are genetically different from the parent cell. Mitosis, it complete in single division. You can see here this is a single division, while meiosis it complete in double division. This is the first meiotic division, and then again each daughter cell divide into 2. So this process, this is called second meiotic division. So the meiosis is complete in double division. So this was about the first lecture of unit number 2. Inshallah, in next lecture we will study about chromosome, DNA and gene. Thank you.